Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon on one of its sides. In order to go back, select this X or tap on the same shortcut in Tab menu. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!